Hey, Abe Mendez here. I'm back in Bellalago. I wanted to take a moment to invite all of you to a open house event that we're going to have here in the community of Bellalago. We're going to have 6 homes open on that day. Our staff of H6 Homes, as well as the Vertex team, will be manning those properties. If you want more information, there's going to be some information below this video so you can plan accordingly. It's going to be on Saturday the 24th. It's going to start from 12 to 4 p.m. We're also going to have this boat, my boat here in Bellalago, parked at the last location, so we can actually give certain buyers the tour from the water, so they can see what the community is all about from the water perspective of the community. So again, I would look forward to seeing you all. If you want to pick your neighbors and you live in Bellalago, guess what? There's no better way to invite someone to an open house here in Bellalago so we can show them what this community is all about. I've been living here for 20 years. I love this community, and this is why I sell my community. So looking forward to seeing you all at the open house on Saturday the 24th from 12 to 4. You can stop by the gate, security gate, and tell them that you're here for an open house. They'll give you a flyer with all the open houses that are available. Or you can actually look in the link below and see where you can meet us, one of our staff members within the community, so you can see all of those open houses. So looking forward to seeing you all on the 24th.